So, have you ever wondered if your child is playing or keeping themselves busy? As therapists, we often get this question asked by parents, and the truth is that that play doesn't always look like the way you expect it to. So, hi, I'm Pankti. I'm an occupational therapist here at Joy and Laughter Development Therapy Center at San Jose. And today I'm going to share some simple ways for you to understand if your child is truly engaging in play or not. So play often doesn't look the way you expect it to. So what does that mean? So when we think about play, we think about board games, stuffed animals, construction blocks, or just pretend kitchens. But play is much broader than that. So, sometimes you imagine your child just spinning the wheels of a car or lining stuffed toys or just simply exploring textures or, even just repeating the same action over and over again. So just because it looks different does not mean it's not play. The child is still trying to explore, engage, and experiment, and that is play. So look for signs if your child is playing. So how do you know that the child is playing or not? So simply if your child is trying to get back to the same activity over and over again, here the child is trying to build skills or trying to master it. Or let's say if your child is laughing while he's building a block but it keeps falling, he's kind of trying to build his frustration tolerance. Even though he's failing at the task, he's still trying to get back to it, and he's enjoying the process. Or simply smiling, babbling, just giving you a glance while playing a drum, trying to show you that, oh look, did you see that I have done it? Or pointing at toys, trying to invite you into their play world. Even all these subtle signs are a way of them trying to communicate with you, show you what they are trying to do, trying to invite you to play with them together. These are small signs that help you know that your child is truly playing or not. And if you see your child not doing that, like just engaging in solitary play without any emotions, any reactions, that might be something or a small red flag that you might feel like, oh, maybe my child is not truly engaging in play, and that is where it could be a concern, and you would want to work towards that. And finally, trust that the way your child is playing is meaningful. So every child has a unique way of playing themselves. Some child might just pretend to be a superhero for like 10 minutes, or some child might just love looking at the bubbles float or just trying to fix two blocks together. So as long as they are engaging in play that is meaningful, they're trying to explore, experiment, they are building or learning important skills. They are working on communication, creativity, social skills, and exploration, and that is play. And as parents, it's important to support them in their play. Finally, if you ever find yourself wondering if my child is truly engaging in play, or you need support in understanding if your child is truly playing, give us a contact at JLD Therapy and we would love to assist you. Thank you for watching.